Non-uniform broad AB again 5 meters. Supported horizontal and supports A and B. Reactions in the supports are 3G and 7G. So this time reactions have been given to us. Okay, again we have the rod AB. Reactions at A and B has been given to us. So reaction at A is how much? 3G. 3G newtons. Reaction at B, 7G newtons. So state the weight of the bar. So what will be the weight of the bar? So weight of the bar, let's say W. Right. So now it's very simple problem. So we just have to do sigma V equal to 0. Correct. The sum of all vertical forces should be 0, and 3G, that is RA, is acting upwards. 7G, that is RB, is acting upwards. W is acting downwards. Total should be 0. So W will be 10 times G. So weight of the bar is over. A bit is over. B bit, find the distance of center of mass of the bar from A. So from A, what is the distance he is asking? So this distance X, let us say. So again we have to take moments, sum of moments about A. So first force is W times X. This is going in clockwise direction, so minus. Then RB times total length is 5 meters. This one is going in anti-clockwise, so plus. Total should be 0. So RB value we know it. W value also we calculated it. X is the only unknown. So Wx equals RB times 5. RB is 7G into 5. X equals 7G into 5 by W, and W is 10G. 10G. G and G will cancel. 5 and 2, so 3.5 newtons. No, not newtons. What is this? Distance is in meters, so meters. Okay.